They're saying, your disciple, who is your disciple? your, 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 who's your disciple? Your flute. And your flute has a bad mouth. And what does a bad mouth mean? It means that gully. You know gully? Gully means, is it right? Gully? Dirty words, bad words. You this, that, 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 that. Oh yeah, you this, that, 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 that. Top, pop, 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 pop. Yuda. Ha. So they're saying, we're not your disciples, you're Murali's your disciple. Shadi Muralim. Then they say, Haranti Maryaram Shiva Shiva Pare Pam Shivradiyam. So they say, alas, alas, your bold flute robs our modesty and carries our hearts to Bhagavan. Teach your bad disciple not to call us here again. Because Krishna is Murlidhar, and he came to the banks of the Yamuna, and he played his Murli, which is only for the gopis. The Murli is never played before 11 o'clock at night. It's magical, it's mysterious, it's enchanting, it's hypnotic, it's captivating, it's romantic. It's the Murli, Murlidhar.